What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can display a binder or a card on your profile so everyone can see it. Also, before we get started, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. So let's get started. So first off, we need to create a display board or a binder. So go over to your cards collection. And here, if you want to just display a single card, go to display boards. Here we can create a new display board. So we can, let's say, select this Meowth themed one. And just click on this plus icon here. And now just select a Pokemon that you want to display on your profile. So let's go with this electrode right here. So you would just need to click on it and click add. Then after a few moments it will appear on your display board. So before you click save, you need to set this display board to public and click on this lock icon here and select public or visible only to friends if that suits you better. So just click X and now you can save this display board. Now once you've done that, exit the display board and go back onto your home page. From here, just go to your profile icon right here. Now just scroll down a bit and click on this owned card window right here. So here you can either select a binder or you can select a display board. So the difference is on the display board you can only display one card, but on the binders you can display up to 30 cards. So for this, let's just select the board that we previously created and click OK. And now let's see how this card looks from another person's perspective. So I will just go to my friends right here and take a look at one of their display cards. So here is how it will look for other people when they see your card onto your profile. And they can also click on your card and examine it in more detail, just like this. So that's how you can display a card or a binder on your Pokemon TCG Pocket profile. If you would like to find out how to equip flares or even switch accounts in Pokemon TCG Pocket, you can watch one of my other videos. Also, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And if you would like to support the channel further, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.